Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thanks for giving me time for introduce myself and my partner author. Okay, first my name is Sintari Arvita. I'm from Department Political Science, Faculty Social Science and Political Science, Andalas University. The second author is Dr. Tengku Rika Valentina from Department Political Science, Faculty Social Science and Political Science, Andalas University. The third author is Dr. Roni Eka Putra from Department Public Administration, Faculty Social Science and Political Science, Andalas University. Okay, my article's title is Collaborative Governance between Nagari Elites in Village Funds Management in Nagari Tigo Balai of Mater District, West Sumatra. Next, background of the study, village funds. At the Nagari level, the governing elite and the non-governing elites in terms of managing village funds have their respective duties and function, with the village fund as a supporting factor for solving problems in the village, especially development problems. Therefore, it is necessary to have a parties who can dialogue together and you need understanding of how to manage the village funds so that they can answer development demands and existing problems. Generally, the problem of the often occurs is that the village government is unable to solve the existing problems alone. So the way to go is a through collaboration. Nagari Tigo Balai is one of the villages in West Sumatra that has changed in terms of development and progress in the economic sector, which has been supported since the existence of village funds sourced from APBN funds. In terms of the successful implementation of the village funds, Nagari Tigo Balai is one of the villages included in the Ministry of Finance book in the title "The Story of the Successful of Village Funds Lilin Cahaya di UFO Fajak Nusantara," which was published in 2018 because it has made a big change in their Nagari. In the term of improving in structure, the development for the welfare of its people. We are going to literature review. My article has some literature review. First, from Ade Febrian, 2016. The title is Collaborative Governance dalam Pembangunan Kawasan Perdesaan, Tinjauan Konsep dan Regulasi. The second from Cohen Sophie and Diah Mutiarin, 2016 also. The title is Collaborative Governance dalam Perencanaan Pengelolaan Badan Usaha Milik Desa Ponggok, Kecamatan Sidoarjo, Polan Harjo, Kabupaten Klaten, Provinsi Jawa Tengah. The third from Abdul Fattah Fanani and Supardi Ibrahim, 2018. The title is Collaborative Governance dalam Kemandirian Desa, studi pada implementasi Undang-Undang Nomor 6 Tahun 2014 tentang desa di Kabupaten Sidoarjo. The fourth from Andi Antono, Mahmud Setiadi and Ngalimun, 2020. The title is Kolaborasi Pembangunan Desa Berkelanjutan melalui Program Dana Desa di Kecamatan Sokaraja, Kabupaten Banyumas. Fifth, from Erni Roshanti, Dwin Haratomi Akta Patma Eldo, and Riza Awal Novanto, 2019. The title is Collaborative Governance sebagai upaya dalam akselerasi pembangunan desa, studi analisis Desa Pacul, Kabupaten Tegal. And the last from Laode Saiful Islami, Rininta Andriani, and Eka Purnamahana, 2020. With the title Model Collaborative Governance dalam Pengelolaan Dana Desa. Research question in this article is, what are the form of collaborative governance in managing village funds in Nagari Tigo Balai, Matur District? With the method, this study is a qualitative method with an intrinsic type to see the partnership between capitalization elites in operation village funds in Nagari Tigo Balai, Matur District, and use the theory of from Skottel, Haxeno, and Gebier, 2014. Use the theory about collaborative governance with 7 essential factors: willingness to compromise, communication, commitment, mutual trust, transparency, knowledge sharing, and willingness to take the risk. Next, result discussion. Form of collaborative governance in village funds management in Nagari Tigo Balai. I found some result that I found. First is in connection with this research, which focuses on cooperation between local elites in Nagari Tigo Balai in managing village funds. Based on the 7 factors mentioned above, first, there is a willingness to compromise. This can be seen in community participation in the early stages of managing village funds. And then the two communication carried out by the Nagari government as the holder of power can be. The communication mean is a successful collaboration that is more than just sharing tasks, but more about growing sincere determination to achieve a common goal. This means that there is mutual coordination between the Nagari government and institution as well as the community, so that the government during the Wali Nagari Joniwati period runs expected. Next, the researcher is of the view the communication of that occurred during the Wali Nagari Joniwati period could strengthen the government commitment to development with the support of a elite of a community instantiation. Next, trust in leaders is one indicator of the realization of a good governance. And then the government openness is aimed at dispelling public doubt regarding the use of the funds in the management. The last is the next indicator relates to knowledge sharing. Collaboration will be able to provide ensure more quickly or certain the time needed to fix the problem encountered during the 2014 to 2020 administration period. FEVI has a treasure repelled there was a set commitment to able to complete the work. The last is conclusion. This study shows that the management of village funds in the Nagari Tigo Balai is the result of the good cooperation between elites in Nagari Tigo Balai. Besides that, Nagari Tigo Balai is also known as the name of the traditional village and a pilot village in West Sumatra. This makes every action concerning the common interest always involve every element of the community in it, including in the management of village funds, from the planning process to the accountability process after the village funds are realized. This is also supported by the nature of the people of Nagari Tigo Balai, which is thick with a local wisdom. The success of managing village funds in Nagari Tigo Balai cannot be separate from the autonomous role of the Nagari government and non-Nagari government in managing village funds.